Good morning, students. Class 8th, and today is our new chapter reproduction in animals. Reproduction is the characteristics of living organism. Fertilization is the process in which the male gamete sperm fuses with the female gamete egg to form the zygote. तो फर्टिलाइजेशन में मेल गैमीट स्पर्म से मिलता है एंड फीमेल गैमीट एग से. बोथ आर फ्यूज्ड ईच अदर एंड फॉर्म ए जाइगोट. सम एनिमल्स गिव बर्थ यंग वंस एंड अदर लेज एग फ्रॉम विच यंग वन हैच. Asexual reproduction, binary fission. Budding, fragmentation. Sexual reproduction, the sperm cell and egg cell. Fertilization, oviparous, viviparous. Reproduction in human being. The process through which a living thing produces new living organism like itself is called reproduction. रिप्रोडक्शन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें लिविंग थिंग्स अपने ही जैसा दूसरा लिविंग थिंग्स रिप्रोड्यूस करता है. द टाइग्रेस गिवन ए बर्थ टू कप्स. hen lays eggs from which chicks hatch. A mango tree produces a large number of seeds during its lifetime from which many new mango plants can grow. Even the unicellular bacteria, paramecium and amoeba produce new individuals. Reproduction allows organisms to continue to live on the earth from one generation to other. Mode of reproduction. Two modes of reproductions: asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproductions. In asexual reproduction mode of reproduction, only a single parent involved during new organism. तो इसमें सिंगल पेरेंट ही इन्वॉल्व होता है नए ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए. देयर इज द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ asexual reproduction. And first, binary fission. Binary fission, you have seen the bacterial cell. Amoeba also you have seen. It involves division to organism to individuals. Unicellular organisms such as bacteria, algae, fungi and protozoa, paramecium and amoeba reproduce by binary fission. In binary fission we have seen the one cell, and here it is its nucleus, and they have divided into two parts and form a new organisms. In this method, asexual reproduction, the nucleus first split into two nuclei. Next, the body divided into two parts, each part getting a nucleus. You have seen binary fission in amoeba. Nucleus divided into two parts and body also divided into two parts and form a daughter amoeba. Budding. Animals such as hydra, sponge and sea anemone reproduce asexually by growing buds. The buds separate from the parent and grow the individuals. You have seen here bud, and then it separated to individuals. Fragmentation. Planaria and some other flatworm can reproduce by fragmentation, in which there is divisions of body into two or more pieces. Each piece is the grow part of missing and becomes a complete new animals. तो फ्रेगमेंटेशन में प्लेनेरिया दिया गया है. इसको कई भागों में अलग अलग काट देने पर भी रीजनरेशन प्रोसेस की तरफ से नए प्लेनेरिया का जन्म हो जाता है. Sexual reproduction. Plant and animal reproduce sexually. All kind of insect, spider, fish, frog, snake, lizards, tortoise, birds and mammals reproduce sexually. These animals can have separate male and female individuals. The male and female individual possess different reproductive system. Each reproductive system is made up of definite organs. In some animals such as earthworm and garden snail, The male and female reproductive system are the same individual. Such a living things is called a hermaphrodites. In this process, some animals जैसे अर्थवर्म है, गार्डन स्नेल, इसमें मेल और फीमेल दोनों रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम पाए जाते हैं एक ही में, तो उसे जो है हर्माफ्रोडाइट कहते हैं। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।